case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1993, Wholesale Sand Gravel Inc. and James Decker found themselves embroiled in an increasingly heated dispute that ascended from troublesome ground conditions to the bloated realms of the Maine Supreme Judicial Court. The conflict, while seated in the mundanity of a driveway project, hinged on a divisive principle of contract law, that of anticipatory repudiation. Wholesale Sand and Gravel signed a contract with Decker for what should have been a straightforward driveway and excavation project. Fate, however, interjected a wrench into the would-be clockwork undertaking. Unseasonable weather led to unworkably wet ground conditions, and Wholesale, despite valiant efforts, missed the one-week deadline. The president of Wholesale had assured Decker the work would be completed within this time frame, but the elements had a different timeline in mind. Frustrated by the lack of progress, Decker decided to terminate the contract and hire a new contractor. Slighted Wholesale Sand and Gravel Inc. took to the courts, accusing Decker of breach of contract. The court, however, found that Wholesale's inability to complete the work and their removal of equipment from the site constituted an anticipatory repudiation of the contract, thus allowing Decker to end the agreement. Wholesale protested, launching an appeal claiming the court had aired its view on anticipatory repudiation, a defense that hadn't been raised in the original lawsuit. In a decisive move, the judicial bench concluded that anticipatory repudiation was not an affirmative defense necessitating a specific plea. Instead, it found that Wholesale's conduct amounted to an anticipatory breach of contract based on the evidence from the trial. Thus, the court upheld the judgment in favor of Decker, affirming that his termination of the contract was grounded on the valid basis of anticipatory repudiation that Wholesale, with its conduct in the face of weather-related issues, had signaled.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.